You also get civil trial defense, which means should you or a covered member face a litigation or be sued, guess what? You have a bank of hours that comes with the membership, and each year it constantly increases. IRS audit assistance, consultation with audit representation, pretrial negotiation. We actually had one of our members that stated they received a letter from the IRS, and when they had to go in, they was a little nervous. That's understandable when you're facing IRS. IRS, I'm really scared. But what happened here, ladies and gentlemen, they had representation from our Legal Shield provider law firm. They went there, and when certain questions were posed, the attorneys that was with our members said they will not be answering that. Ladies and gentlemen, could you imagine the power that you now will have access to? Uncontested minor child adoption, name change, civil null or separation or divorce, 24 emergency access. You see this phone here, ladies and gentlemen? That's right. We give you access as simple as your smartphone device. E-signature in any legal matter outside the scope of the 100% portion of our plan, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody loves a discount. Well, guess what? You get 25% discount off our provider law firm's standard hourly rate. Now, I didn't eat that.